What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to embed an internet archive video into your WordPress website, okay? I'm writing a blog post about It Happens One Night. It's a famous comedy movie, it's a classic, and I would like to embed a place where people can watch this video, and the video is present on Internet Archive, okay? The full video is present right here. How to embed this on my WordPress website is what we're gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard into the browser address bar, enter the domain plus WP admin and enter with login credentials. You're going to be able to see a page almost like this one. Review the left sidebar of menus, click on posts in the case that you want to embed on a post, or pages in the case that you want to embed on a page. Select the post and you're going to be able to see a page almost like this one. Where to watch, it's a nice place to enter the code. I'm gonna type enter. I'm gonna click into this plus button to add a block. Then I'm gonna search into this field for HTML. That is a custom HTML, okay? Click on edit HTML, this blue button. Now go to Internet Archive, scroll down, and right here we have the option to favorite, share, and flag. I can share the video. And right here, it can begin at some time, embed for archive.org in description fields, okay? So you can use the frame right here. So copy this code, okay? Go to your WordPress dashboard, place the code. Let's check the preview. Seems okay for me. Now, let me refresh the post. And here is the video. Nice, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free, just the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.